for this DIY you'll need an empty bottle, preferably the one that you're going to recycle, not that you've just bought it to make this, and a pair of scissors and some nail varnish, nail polish. Whoa, ooh, camera nearly fell down. So I'm going to use some red glitter on, so I'm going to cut the bottle in half. It's quite handy, it's got the markings on them, so I'm going to do it this wide. Do it however wide you want. You can do thin little bangles or thicker ones. Right. You could either do two and make them into hoop earrings. Right, so I'm just going to paint that with the nail varnish. And when you've painted it all the way around, you can take it to the iron, which I'll show you in the next step. Then once you've painted it the colour you want, mine's red with glitter, put down some greaseproof paper and one on top, and then get your iron to the hottest setting and push down. Try and get it as even as possible. It sort of starts to curl inside. Just going to use the other side now. There you go. Cool bangle. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more videos, and hit that notification bell. Thank you. Bye.